Okay, I just want to do a quick, I guess we don't have to take it off. I just want to do a quick, just review of what I keep in this little bag. If you've seen it on the back of my bike, it pretty much stays there all the time. Kind of my toolkit / just supplies I like to keep with the bike. So very first thing, first aid kit. This is just kind of a generic kit that I put together. Some of it's just straight out of other stuff. Some of it, I don't know why I have a pry bar in here. Stuff I've put in here. Some compression bandages, just some regular first aid supplies, tourniquet, some gauze to pack a wound. Basically, this is like as basic as a trauma kit that I would carry just on the road. Carry one in my car. Very similar. This is basically worst case scenario emergency type stuff. So you roll up on another rider, roll up on a car accident, you're out in the country, which is where I typically ride. Like, you're looking at potentially up to half an hour response time. So carry something with you. So I carry that. Carry just a couple rags, like when I fill up for gas, cover the tank up a little bit for that. Plug kit. This is basically just emergency to get home. If something were to happen, I would not ride on a tire for much longer than just basically I needed to with something like that. But basically that's to get me off the road. Mind you, I don't have anything to fill the tire up with air at this point. So I better work on that. Just a little plate I made up to throw under the kickstand if you're in a sketchy spot. A little seal mate tool. This is for cleaning your front forks. So if you're in a real pinch on the road and they're just spewing oil or something, you might be able to fix it with that. I just got some extra valve stem caps, a little pair of vice grips, just some of these like bungee things in case I need to hold something on the bike. And this is just a real basic, this is like a toolkit I bought and then just added a couple things to it. It is stuffed, packed full. But this is some like electrical extra bolts, things like that, in case you got to do something really on the side of the road, get back to where you need to. It's got a little screwdriver with multiple bits in it, pair of pliers, like just miscellaneous things like that. I put a little lighter in there to shrink tube stuff. I actually have way down in the bottom there, yeah, you can't see it. I got a little money just in case you go on a ride and need gas and you realize you don't have any way to pay for it, or you're out in the boonies and they don't take cards and stuff everywhere. So that's basically just my little toolkit. This is like a cheapo bag off of Amazon. Actually, it works very well, to be honest. So whatever that brand is, my dad just bought it for me for like $25 or something. So just a quick review of what I carry in the back of my little tail bag and my little kit. Thanks for watching.